Father, I've heard AdBlue, it's the stuff your diesel needs to run, not because your engine wants it, but because the government says so. What even is it?
Boyna galava Stewie. AdBlue is a liquid used in modern diesel engines that have a system called selective catalytic reduction. It's made up of about 30% high-purity urea and 70% deionized water.
Urea? The one found in urine? Does that mean I can just pee?
No, Stewie. I knew you were about to ask it. Even if it contains urea, you definitely can't just pee into your AdBlue tank. The urea in AdBlue is highly refined and produced under strict conditions.
So how does it actually work?
When the engine runs, it produces harmful exhaust gases. As these gases move through the exhaust system, AdBlue is sprayed into the hot exhaust stream. Through a chemical reaction, the harmful gases are converted into harmless ones.
What happens if you run out of AdBlue?
Technically, your engine could still run without AdBlue, but regulations require car makers to make sure the car doesn't start if the AdBlue tank is empty. It's the government's way of making sure drivers always refill the tank every few thousands kilometers to stay within emission limits.
So what's the downside?
While the idea sounds great on paper, the reality can be frustrating. Clogged injectors and sensors that are known to malfunction or throw false warnings. And like always, the government comes up with these big, expensive solutions, makes them mandatory, and then when something goes wrong, they act like it's not their problem. You're the one stuck with the maintenance and repair bill. That's why some people look into AdBlue delete kits to get around it, but guess what? Those aren't legal.